Hi and welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to make a catchy presentation in the form of a notebook using PowerPoint. And the final created template is available for free download from this video description. Let's start from a new blank presentation. I will start the template creation from the back cover of the notebook, then go backward with the remaining pages. Right-click and duplicate. Change the background. Select picture or texture fill. Insert. And let's check something convenient from the online store. Try with leather texture. Filter on large resolution. And I'll go for creative common content. Let's pick this one. Yes, seems to be fine. So this is supposed to be the last slide. I'll put a word in it. Insert a letter roll shape, for example. Put it in the middle. Change the color, gradient fill. Okay, I'll keep it this way. Right click and edit text. The end. And thank you. Change the font to something looking like handwriting. This one looks better. Now I will duplicate the slide. Resize it. This should represent a notebook paper, so I'll keep the last page background slightly visible. Then insert other shapes for the notebook tabs. Take this one, rotate, adjust, I can also reshape the edges from here. Okay, it looks fine now. Duplicate. I will use 4 tabs. Try to keep the same distances. Let's put some shadow. Apply the same on the other tabs. I should revert the order here. Bring to the front. Okay, the next slides will be created based on this one, so I will keep it aside as it is and duplicate. Keep the last tab only. Select the bold objects, then under shape format, select merge shapes and union. Okay. I will add some text on the tabs. insert text, rotate, do the same for other tabs. Okay, copy the last tab text and paste on the other slide. Okay, I'll use another color for this page, the borderline color also. Insert another shape in which the data will be presented. Apply same shadow on it. Then for color, choose gradient fill with more brightness to look almost like white. Duplicate the slide. We're gonna need it for the next one. Now we will prepare the transition between the slides. Group the objects. Copy the group. Then paste on the following slide. Move it to the left until it becomes totally outside. Keep the shift button pressed so the move will be perfectly horizontal. Finally, we need to configure the transition. From the last slide, go to the transitions menu and select Morph. You will get the preview directly. This is what I want. Let's try it again. Select the previous slide, then click the full screen icon. Okay, it works. Let's continue with the other tabs the same way. Duplicate. Copy the following tab. Merge objects. Change the color. Then add the data page. And adapt the coloring with green tints. Create the morph transition again. Full screen. Okay, that's fine. I think you get the logic. Let's continue with the remaining tabs. Okay, the tabs are ready. Full screen. Okay, it's working as expected. We still have the first page to prepare. Duplicate. Come back to our base slide and select this object. Paste. This should be the notebook cover. So I'll put the same leather texture background. Resize. Okay, I'll put the same form as in the back cover page. Change the message to welcome. Now it's time for configuring the transition. Group the objects. Copy, then paste in the following slide. Okay, try with full screen. Still the border lines to remove. Okay, try again. Perfect. We can also add the spiral bound. I'll show you how. Insert a rectangle form. Change the fill texture. And some shadow inside. Remove border line. Add this shape. Gradient color, linear, choose black and gray, play with color positions and brightness, full screen. Okay, we can keep it this way. Group and duplicate till the end of the page. Pay attention to distances between. Use Shift button to keep the moves linear. select all. Group, move down a little bit, full screen, perfect. We can apply now to all slides, copy and paste everywhere. We can now delete the other slides, save. Here we are, full screen. Congratulations, you are now able to create this cool PowerPoint template by yourself. Feel free to download it from the link in the description. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to this channel so you can get more of it. Thank you for watching.